Okay, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to replace golf shoe spikes. You need this tool. Let's call it a golf spike shoe remover tool. Those two prongs go into those two holes there. Press down hard and twist. Make sure you get a good grip and it should come right off. Before you put in the new spikes, make sure you clean the inside of that, whether you use a toothpick or anything with a sharp point, really, just to get into those nooks and crannies. Make sure any of that dirt or grass is removed. Helpful to also get a toothbrush, scrub it, you know, maybe even some soap and water if you want. Make sure it's nice and clean. That way the treads where the spike are gonna bite into are nice and clean. Before you put in the spike, remember that it is possible to over tighten that spike. I know that because I over tightened one, and I hope you can see that, but there's that spike. I actually broke the center part. So rather than taking your spike, putting it on the tool and then pushing into the shoe and then tightening it, my suggestion is you take the spike. If you just put it in by hand, you allow those grooves to bite, and then there's a click right there. From that point, that's when I like to put in the spike, and then I like to turn there. And then you'll feel the tension and you can't turn it anymore. If you try to turn it anymore, you'll break the center off, and trust me, it'll happen because it just happened to me, which is why I decided to make this video. These are the golf spikes I got, and this is the tool that I got. I got both of these from Empire Golf, but I'm sure they're available anywhere. Empire Golf is where I also got my FootJoy Traditions, which I really like. Whatever spike or tool you get, I think the procedure is the same.